guys, it's Rod from Big Mission Academy. I'm going to walk you through right now the steps of how to set up Google Analytics account and tie it in with your WordPress website. So the first thing we're going to do is go to google.com/analytics, as you'll see up here. And then once you click at the top right here, it says sign in or create an account. You'll click on one of those two. Well, in this case, I'm assuming you won't have an account, so click on creating an account. And just because the internet's a little slow today, we already preloaded these pages. So when you click on that, you'll get to this login page. So here you'll put in your login information, and once you process that, you'll get to this page, which basically shows you the 3 steps to set up your account. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to sign up for Google Analytics, then you're going to add a tracking code, and I'll show you how to add that back into your WordPress administrative panel. And then you're going to basically start using the analytics tool and start learning about your audience and seeing who visits your site, how often, what pages they're leaving on, and a lot of really cool stuff. So I'll walk you through all that when we get to that point, but now let's go ahead and sign up. We'll give this a moment. And now what you're going to do is you're going to create a new account. Now the classic analytics account, this limits you in some areas as Google is expanding their tool to cover a lot more of mobile devices and a lot of other ways that people are coming to a website. So by default, they opt you into the Universal Analytics account. You can change either ones. Either one's going to give you important information, but just as the default, I'll leave it as Universal Analytics. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to name my account. So I'm going to name this Big Mission Academy. Then I'm going to name my website name, in this case, the same thing. I'm going to put the URL of the website. And notice that they already populated the HTTP, so I don't need to put that in. I just put in the www and then the website name. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select the industry that I'm in. In this case, I'm in the business and industrial industry. And then I'm going to select the time zone. It's really important they select the right time zone because the reports are going to come in with the time that someone visited the site. So if you select the wrong time zone, you could get an inaccurate reading of the time. I'm going to leave these boxes pre-selected here. Basically, it's sharing some information with Google. You can opt out of these and not share information. And then we're going to get the tracking ID. Once you go through and you accept the terms and conditions, now you can take a read through that if you'd like. You'll hit the accept button, and then you'll be taken to another page where Google will provide you with a tracking pixel. Now, most of the WordPress templates will provide you an example. Let's go into that. Of here where it says an example is the UA number. The UA number is given to you by the Google Analytics. If you'll notice back in the previous, there's this UA number. So I'm going to take that UA number, I'm going to copy and paste it, hitting Control-C. I'm going to go back into the WordPress admin, and I'm going to copy that number into this box. I'm going to then save the options and get a confirmation that it's been created and go back into Google Analytics. Once I'm back in here, it looks like that's all I need to do. So in a couple hours, sometimes it takes a few minutes, but just to play it safe, give it a couple hours, check back, and you should receive a confirmation that you're starting to get some data into your account. Then I'll show you, basically, you'll just log back into google.com/analytics, and then you'll start seeing some data in your account. If you have any questions, as always, please leave them in the comments, and I'll talk to you soon.